Imagine wielding the power to craft stunning visuals with just a few words. And today, we're going to show you how to build the engine behind that magic, a platform akin to Leonardo AI. First, we architect our user interface. This is where your users will interact, transforming their imagination into art. Think intuitive text prompts, adjustable parameters for artistic style, and real-time previews. We want a clean, visually appealing design that inspires creativity. Under the hood, it's all about the backend architecture. This is where the heavy lifting happens. We'll need a robust system to handle user requests, manage generated images, and securely store user data. For the core image generation, we integrate powerful AI models. This involves connecting to pre-trained generative models capable of understanding text prompts and producing photorealistic or stylistic images based on your specifications. Think of it as the brain of your creative engine. Next, we focus on the server setup. This crucial step ensures your platform is accessible, responsive, and can handle a high volume of users. We'll explore scalable cloud solutions that can grow with your user base, ensuring smooth performance even during peak creative bursts. The key to a unique experience lies in fine-tuning these AI models. By experimenting with different models and parameters, you can develop distinct artistic styles and functionalities that set your platform apart from the rest, offering users an unparalleled creative journey. Building your own AI image generator website is about empowering creativity by focusing on a user-friendly interface and a robust, scalable backend. You can unlock a world of visual possibilities for yourself and your users.